Hello everyone, welcome back to Proggy. Today I'm going to show you an amazing Chrome extension called Tab Resize that will instantly organize your tabs into perfect layouts like this. If you are into productivity, this one is right for you. So Tab Resize is a simple free extension that lets you split your open Chrome tabs into different windows and layouts instantly. Whether you want a 2 into 2 grid or even let's say a 4 into 4 grid, that is perfectly possible and you can have any custom arrangement you like. Now let us see how to install this extension. For that you have to go to Chrome's application menu. From there go to extensions, click on visit Chrome Web Store. Here you have to type tab resize and this one is the one we are looking for. Just see the particular colors and all. Just click on it. After that add to Chrome, click add extension, and that's it. So this should come automatically up here in your menu bar, but if it does not come, just click on this extensions icon and click on this particular pin to toolbar button. Then it will be showing you continuously in this particular menu bar. Now let us see how to use this particular extension. So after getting newly installed, this message will come. Just click I understand, let's go. And here you are seeing some presets actually, like 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 1 into 2 and all. So let's see what happens when you click any one of them. Now for this to work properly, remember that the tab selector of Chrome should be there at the first instance from where you want this to happen. Okay, so I'll show you what this means. So just click on it and let's say we want to select 2 into 2. So all the 4 tabs now will go to 4 different windows. Cool, isn't it? Now, one cool feature of this extension is that if you have mistakenly done something, you can always undo it. So just click on this particular icon again and just click on undo. It will always remember the last resize and you will again get back to the previous state. Now, why I said that selecting the tab is important, because let's see if we go for the second tab and then we try to do a 4 into 4 sorry 2 into 2 resize, then what will happen? So as you can see, the fourth window which opened is a blank new tab actually, because it ignores anything to the left of the selected tab. Now let me show you one vertical split example also. So here you have 2 tabs and you can click on 1 into 2, so this goes side by side. This is very good for, sometimes you're reading something on the left pane and writing something on the right pane. This thing is perfect for you. One of the cool features of this extension is that you can also create your custom presets. Like let's say we want to create a 3 into 3 grid now, because maybe we have a very big monitor. I have 8 tabs open up, so let's see what happens. So as you can see, it distributed the tabs perfectly into 9 windows. The last one is a new tab because like we had actually 8 tabs and it had to create a dummy for the last one, so that was a new tab. One small thing, you can also disable the empty tab creation feature. So just go to the extension and untick the empty tab option. So this will ensure that empty tabs don't get created in new windows if the grid is not full. So here, for example, you have 2 open tabs, and if I click on the 2 into 2 grid, it will not open 4 windows, but just 2. I hope so you got my point. So for whom is this feature for? Like if you want to research with multiple articles open side by side, or you are researching and writing something side by side, or are you coding and viewing your results side by side? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips. Give Tab Resize a definite try and let me know in the comments how you plan to use it. Thank you. Bye.